In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in your Shopify store efficiently and effectively. Before diving into the step-by-step process, let's cover some foundational concepts that'll guide you through managing your inventory. First, the term on hand refers to the quantity of a product you physically have in stock. Meanwhile, available denotes the quantity that your customers can actually see and order, which is your on-hand amount minus any items that are already reserved in unfulfilled orders. We also need to consider locations, which indicates where your stock is stored. Think warehouses or retail stores. Shopify conveniently allows for managing inventory across multiple locations. Then we have variants, as products often come in different versions, such as sizes or colors, and inventory is managed individually for each of these variants. Transfers involve the movement of stock between different locations within your business. And finally, purchase orders play a critical role in tracking incoming stock orders from suppliers. Now let's walk through setting up and adjusting your Shopify inventory. The first thing you'll want to do is turn on inventory tracking. Head on over to your Shopify admin, navigate to Products, and click on All Products. Once there, open the product you're interested in and select the variant you want to track. You'll find this in the Inventory section as you scroll down. Here, enable the Track Quantity option for that specific variant. If you're operating out of more than one location, make sure to assign stock to each relevant location. Next up is viewing and adjusting your inventory. To get a grip on your stock situation, simply navigate to Products and then click on Inventory. Here, you can see stock levels across all your products, variants, and locations. If you're interested in filtering by a particular location, it's as easy as using the Filter or the Location drop-down menu. When it comes to adjustments, you have the option to change the on-hand or available quantities for each item or variant manually. For efficiency, you might want to use the bulk editor, which allows you to update multiple products at once. Lastly, let's discuss managing transfers and stock movements. If multiple locations are part of your setup, transferring inventory between these locations is crucial for maintaining balanced stock levels. You'll do this through Shopify by navigating to Products and then Transfers. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your stock figures accurate across your network. As new stock arrives from your suppliers, make use of purchase orders to track these incoming goods. This will give you a clear picture of what's on its way. Once the stock arrives and you've marked it received, make sure to update the on-hand quantity accordingly. By applying these steps and principles, you'll have a solid grip on your inventory management, reducing the risk of running out of stock or overstocking items. That wraps up our guide for today. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.